All right, let's have a look at our little part here. Not sure what this is. Put your fingers through or something, brass knuckles or something. No, probably not, but it's a part in inches, right? We can see with the significant digits and everything. Well, it does have a 0 here, so maybe, but definitely looks like inches. Doesn't have a 0 here, so we'll go with inches. Pretty straightforward, I would say, right? We have these holes here, they're all the same, and they're nice in nice patterns, so we can just pattern those out. Then we can do that one. This curve, that curve, and that curve are all centered on the circle, so that's good. This is straight, and then we can just do another circle and do tangent constraints to put it on there. All right, let's get started. Let's create ourselves. Let's do it differently, right? So we can also just hit on the origin and then choose our plane. I like to put that in a different view first. So maybe let's do the YZ plane and right click and then say new sketch. Right? It's just a different way of doing it. Doesn't really matter. And maybe we'll start. Well, let's start with that one. Right. So we'll do ourselves a circle. These circles, the holes are all 1 inch. Right there. And then we can do a pattern, but we'll need a direction for our pattern. So let's do a line just like that, just so we have something that we can use for a pattern. So we'll use this one. We'll choose this as a direction, and we want to have a total of 4. And we want them to be 1.5 inches apart. 1.5. And okay, there we have our 4. Then we need another one, also 1 inch. And this now needs to be 2 inches from the center here. This direction, 2. And then 1/2 inch in that direction. Oh, wow. I must have hit the tangent part or something. So that's exactly where we wanted it. All right. So then we can go to the other curves. We'll start right here. Another circle. Say it has 2. And we'll do the same here. Another 2. And then we can create ourselves a line, right? We can, Inventor helps us actually with that, right? If I just hover over here, it already gets the top point, does it there. I have my nice straight line there. We can do another circle. I should have done the third one at the same time. Oh, but this one has a different radius, so let's be careful. This one was in 2 places. This is different, so we have to have a diameter of 2.5. There we go. We'll do the same. The line that connects here. And then that didn't work quite as well. Let's see. We'll just do a line that is then, let's do a nice long line and see if we get to be tangent here, tangent there. Perfect. Then we can trim this off and trim that off. Also trim part of this circle already. This. That one we have to wait. That one we have to wait. All right, so then we need our other circle to kind of do this and part right here. It was supposed to have a diameter, a radius of 4, so a diameter of 8. Really big. And so let's do another tangent. Tangent with this and that. Not what we wanted. Sometimes that happens. So let's get it closer to where we want to have it. And then let's try this again. There and there. There and there. very good. Now I can go about trimming, trim all this, trim that, this, and whatever this is. Alrighty. See if we can get rid of our line. Sometimes might be difficult because it's connected to this part. Yes, so it just doesn't want to. Okay, let's do this, but it's fine. Once we extrude, it will be gone. All right, so we can finish our sketch. Right there, we'll extrude, it says 0.25. 25, and there we go. Look at it from the top. It looks pretty much like what we have here. Excellent. So I got everything done.